guys? Alright, this is the trailer. Show y'all what we're doing here. So what we're doing is we're building a ramp. That way I could fit easily 3 vehicles in here. I know a lot of y'all were questioning and wondering about that, but it's under construction here. Got the welder here. And he has cut this thing to shit. Brand new trailer, but it's going to be good. It's going to be definitely nice. Definitely nice. There he goes out there. Pieces. Tons and tons and tons. It's definitely coming out good. So basically we're going to be able to have an incline, so the cars are going to be able to come up here. See, before we would have to stop right here. There's a wall here, so we've taken that wall down. What we're doing is building ramps. There goes our ramps. You can see we've completed. It's going to give us enough room now to put a car all the way up here to the top. The tires. You can see how we did it. So actually, we brought it down, cut it from here down, coming at an angle into this ramp here. So now you can see when the car comes up, that gives us about 6 more feet there. You can see the ramps. There it goes. Got our first car up on these ramps, newly built ramps. Ooh, that clearance, son. They made it. And this is a big car, Porsche making.